Hello, I'm James Griggs. I'm the owner of JD Griggs Plumbing, a plumbing company based in Dill, Kent.
How long have you been an On Tap ambassador?
I've been part of the On Tap team for about over a year now.
What is your favourite Briston product?
Favourite Briston product would be the Briston Nero, which just looks really stylish every time it goes in.
What is your best plumbing joke?
Best plumbing joke. What vegetable do plumbers hate the most? Leeks.
Where is the strangest place you fit a tap?
Strangest place I've fitted a tap would be actually in a graveyard, I would say so, just because you don't really get that many often.
What is your top tip for plumbing?
Top tip for plumbing, always stay positive no matter how hard the job is sometimes. If you're in a positive mood, you can easily get the job done.
What are the challenges of plumbing?
Challenges of plumbing, always keeping up to the regulations, always learning, and there's never stop learning in plumbing, I'd say so.
What advice would you give someone starting their career in plumbing?
I would say the advice I'd give someone as an apprentice or start a new career in plumbing would be no such thing as a silly question. If you're going to ask the question twice, ask it. There's nothing wrong with that.
What is the best thing a customer can say to you?
How would you like your coffee?
What is a typical day like for you?
A typical day would be jobbing around installing showers, installing taps and kitchen taps to installing bathrooms.
What is your funniest customer story?
Funniest customer story would be I knocked on a door and the lady said, "Oh, I fixed a leak under the sink." I went there and she shoved a potato in, and yeah, it did smell a bit and I unbunged it and everything, but yeah.
What do you like most about your work?
What I like most about my work, the transformations and seeing customers' reactions of what you've finished product and making a really nice job and neat and tidy. Okay, and hope everyone has a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.